Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you exciting tutorials on various programming languages. In today's video, we will dive into the world of Python, a powerful and versatile programming language. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, this series will help you get started with Python. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Python is a high-level programming language known for its simplicity and readability. In this section, we'll explore the advantages of Python and understand its areas of application. Python is widely used in web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Its clean syntax and extensive library support make it a popular choice among programmers worldwide. I encourage you to visit the Python Software Foundation website and GitHub repository for Python code base. I believe the official sources are the best place to get up-to-date information. To install Python on your computer, you can use one of our previous videos where we discuss install Python using various approach. Generally, we can install open source version of Python or free version of commercial distribution of Python such as Anaconda. The advantages of Anaconda are you can find many data science related packages pre-installed on Anaconda distribution, but the disadvantage is, it's only free for developer version. Please choose either one and video link is provided in the description. To verify, you can open a command prompt or terminal and type Python v. To run Python programs, you need a development environment. You can choose between using the command line or an integrated development environment, IDE, like Pycharm or Visual Studio Code. Set up your preferred environment and get ready to write some Python code. Before we start coding, let's explore the interactive Python shell. The interactive Python shell allows you to execute Python code line by line and get immediate results. It's an excellent tool for experimenting with code and understanding how different statements work. Don't worry, we'll cover this in more detail later. Now that you have a grasp of the Python environment, let's write your first Python program. It's time to write the classic "Hello, World" program. Open your preferred development environment and type in the code exactly as I show you. Congratulations!